Introduction. Introduction to Python. Introduction to Python. Who introduced Python? Python was introduced by Judo van Rossum. Judo van Rossum. He introduced Python in 1989 but officially released in 1991. Python is not a snake name. It is a TV show. Judo van Rossum likes one TV show. That name is Monty Python Flying Circus. Monty Python's Flying Circus. Judo van Rossum likes this TV show. This TV show is run on BBC channel. On 1969 to 1974. This is the small introduction of the Python, and one more. First one, Python is a general purpose language. General purpose language. This means not a specific language. For example, HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. This language is only for displaying the content. That is a specific language. But Python is not a specific language. It is a general purpose language. For example, we can use it in any way. Example, we can use it in desktop applications. Desktop applications and web applications. Machine learning applications. And so on. And second one, Python is a high level language. Python is a high level language. High level language means human beings easily understand the language. It is a human friendly language. Next one, third one, interpreted language. Interpreted language means the execution of the Python programming is line by line execution. That is the interpreted language. Fourth one, it is a simple and easy to understand. Simple and easy to understand. Just like an English statement. English statements. This is the Python introduction. Python introduction. What is Python? Who introduced Python? And this is first Python. Simple Python. Python is introduced by Judo van Rossum. Judo van Rossum introduced in 1989 but officially released in 1991. He likes TV show Monty Python Flying Circus. Python. What is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language. General purpose language. The second one, high level language. High level language. And next one, it is an interpreted language. Interpreted language. This is a small introduction of the Python.